when we lived in Culpeper Rink, when you came out of the snack bar and went toward the cleaning room, there was a set of double doors there which allowed us to get the floor cleaning machine out. And right to the right hand side of those doors was a water fountain. I took a squirt gun one night and you could just barely push open the left hand door and then you could see somebody getting a drink of water. Well, this little colored boy, he bent down to get him a drink, and I squirted him in the face and then let the door shut real easy. So he didn't know where it was coming from. When I pushed the door open again, I could see him, but he didn't notice the door open. Just a crack. And I watched him ease his face down there to get another drink. And I shot him again. And he backed up and he looked at the water fountain. He kept turning it on and off to make sure it wasn't that. As soon as he bent down, I got him again. He kept looking all around, but he never could see me inside that crack of the door. I went back in the office, and he come over there and said, "There's something wrong with your water fountain. Every time I get a drink, I get squirted in the face." I said, "Let me see, let me go check it out." I went and looked at it, and I said, "No, it's working fine. Try it again." See, it looks good. And I waited for him the rest of the night, but I never could catch him again at that water fountain.